Our crew is absolutely struggling to get this boat centered on the trailer. Our guy keeps walking back here looking at it. Bro, that's not going to help. Yeah, you're not moving that like that either, bro. You're going to need to back this thing down a little bit if you want something like that to happen. But the real problem here is this boat's pretty big. And I have no clue what the tow rating is on the vehicle they have up front there, but if they can't get this thing centered right on the trailer, there's no way they're getting this thing pulled out. But man, they've been at it for a few minutes already, and you can tell the frustration set in with the ladies. Hands on the hip, they're done with this one. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. And look at the trees in the background. That wind is whipping, giving our guys fits on getting these boats on the trailers. So Mama on the back is pushing as hard as she can to try and get this thing lined up or over on the trailer, but that wind's just battling her. I mean, there we go. She's getting it to move now. We've got it off the back of the trailer. Now the trick is, can we keep it over here while we try and pull it back up? Oh man, but Papa's getting this a little deep, and that could cause some fits as well. If he gets those rear tires wet, this might be done. And he's pulling, and he stops. I'm assuming he's taking a look to see if he likes it. I can tell from here it's still a little sideways. And we're going to back it down one more time and try and get this one fixed up. Ooh, and it really is at an angle now. And we're floating again. And our girl's going to try one more time to get this thing pushed off the dock and send it on the trailer. He's dropped in deep this time. I got a feeling they're in trouble now. There's no way those rear tires aren't in the water. We can't see it from this angle, but he's got to be. And if he's done that, they're going to be in a mess. And there we go, the spinning of the tires. And my man, like I said, I think he got those rear tires wet, and that's it. That's all it's going to take for him here. Now the issue doesn't become, if we got this thing straight on the trailer, it becomes, can we get it out? And I mean, like I said, this has got to be at the edge of his towing capacity. I can't imagine he's getting anywhere with this now. And my man's back out of the truck, and he realizes that he's got himself into a little bit of a jam. Gonna try and maybe get it a little closer on the trailer to see if they can get a little more weight on the tongue. And after several minutes of spinning tires, we've decided, no, we're going to try and tow this thing out. So wifey or her girlfriend or whoever she is decided she was going to go grab another truck. So she's grabbed another truck, and they're going to try and pull this one out. Funny though, because they came prepared. I mean, she's got actual tow straps and everything. So maybe this is not their first rodeo of experiencing this. Ladies talking up front while our guy gets this one set up for an attempted pullout. It looks like this truck's only two-wheel drive though too, but still, they're on flat ground. Hopefully they'll be able to help out. And it looks like he's got it hooked up. Gonna give some last second instructions. Or, oh no, he's gonna kick her out and put her in the Escalade. And he's gonna be the one who's gonna drop the truck. So he's giving her instructions on what he wants her to do once he gets going. But here we go. Let's see if they can get the pull out on this one. Got both vehicles moving. And it looks like we're going to have a little bit of success. This boat still looks all kinds of funky on the trailer. It definitely doesn't look like it's sitting right. I could be wrong, but maybe it's the bottom paint that's throwing me off. But it looks like the stern of this vessel is just not on the trailer right. Like he needs to be way further forward on the trailer, which would explain the same reason why he couldn't get it out. Because if that's the case and this boat's this far back, all the weight is on the rear of the trailer, lifting up on the tongue. And I'm kind of getting that opinion when you see this sitting here. I know that they're not quite flat up there yet, but look at the truck and the trailer. You can see that it feels like the stern of the rear of the truck's getting picked up by the trailer because there's too much weight at the rear. Oh no, he's still spinning. They didn't get it pulled far enough. And there we go. He's gonna get it on. And they're able to get it out this time. But let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I feel like they're not quite far enough forward on this trailer. And that's probably the cause of this scene. So our guy's going to go ahead and unhook these straps. And get this thing ready to roll. But once again, to have actual tow straps like this just ready to go makes me think this is not their first rodeo, their first time doing this. I think they had to get that boat just a couple foot further onto the trailer. He's still got a strap under there. What is he doing? Are they just leaving it? So our truck that pulled him out is sitting over here. She's going to get that out of the way. And there he goes. Did they leave the other strap that was just sitting there? I didn't see him grab the second one. They just take off on their own anyway. And here he goes, and is he spinning tires again? No, just taking it. Man, this is going to be a long tow home from this guy. But they're out of here, and speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode on Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover. Remain a machine, take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.